Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Alfa Romeo Giulia versus the RS6. The Giulia Quadrifoglio features a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering 505 horsepower. In contrast, the Audi RS6 Avant boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out 621 horsepower. This power difference significantly impacts straight-line performance, with the RS6 often showing quicker acceleration times. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Giulia prioritizes a raw, driver-focused feel with its rear-wheel drive setup, making it incredibly agile. The RS6, however, offers exceptional all-weather capability and stability thanks to its quattro all-wheel drive. Its wagon body also provides significantly more practicality, making it a high-performance vehicle suitable for family duties and hauling cargo. Inside, the Giulia presents a more traditional, driver-focused cockpit with fewer digital distractions, emphasizing the connection to the road. The RS6, on the other hand, showcases a highly modern and luxurious interior, packed with cutting-edge technology, including multiple high-resolution screens and premium materials throughout. It offers a more refined and technologically advanced cabin experience. Considering price, the Giulia Quadrifoglio typically starts around $80,000, offering incredible performance value. The RS6 Avant, with its added practicality and power, usually begins closer to $120,000. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a pure, engaging driving experience or a blend of extreme performance with everyday usability. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.